Good morning, everybody. It is cold outside, but it's supposed to be warm today. That is awesome. I am at Walgreens right now, and I'm here to do some couponing. It's not as hot as last week, but we never know what I could find. I usually just kind of walk around the store to see if I can find some more deals, but I'm excited to do some shopping. So what I do is I go in the store, I walk around the store, show you guys the deals, and then I come back and show you my haul. Any questions, comments, problems, anything that I have, I'll let you guys know, but I'm excited to go shopping, so let's go. The Tresemme is on sale for 2 for $10, but we have some insert coupons for 4 off of 2. But if you guys check out the Walgreens app, there is a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that you'll end up using. You'll pay $5, but then this is the deal of the week where you'll get a $4 register reward when you purchase 2. Your final price comes out to be just $1 or 50 cents. Now there is multiple deals for this $4 reward, so make sure you are paying attention and you will have to do some in separate transactions. The soft soap body wash is on sale this week for $3.99. We do have a $1 off digital coupon that you guys will want to use. You'll buy the 2, use that $1 off coupon. You'll pay $6.98, but you do get $5 of Walgreens cash. When you do purchase the 2 of them, your final price comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents each. Here we have the Dove hand sanitizer, and then we also have the Dove hand wash. Now these are on sale for 25% off, making them $3.74. But we do have some buy one get one free coupons if you guys want to use those. Your final price will just come to be $3.74 or $1.87 each, depending on what you want to get. We have the Suave men's body wash, face wash. These are $2 at buy one, get one 50% off. So you're going to get 2 of them. Basically, they come out to be just $3. We do have a $1 off a 2 insert coupon that you guys would want to use. You end up getting these just for $1 each or $2 for both of them together. If you want to get a decent deal on Huggies, this is the deal to go with. So these are 2 for $20. We do have some $2.50 off coupons that you guys can use. Thank you, Deb, for sending me some coupons. So that's $5 off. You'll end up just paying $15 for the both of these, but you get 1,000 points from Fetch Rewards when you buy size newborns through size 2. So that is $2. It does show a limit of 2 right here. So you get $2 back with Fetch Rewards, and then you also get $1.50 back with Ibotta, so you get $3 back with Ibotta. And then when you purchase the 4 of them, this is that deal of the week deal. So you gotta make sure you do them in separate transactions, but you do get a $4 register reward, making your final price just $6 or $3 each, which is an okay deal, but it's still a great deal for diapers for Walgreens. We have a Colgate toothpaste deal, so these are $3.99. We currently have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon for the toothbrushes. You're gonna end up just paying $3.98, but for the $3.99 deal, you get a $4 cash rewards. So you get the $4 cash rewards, making these absolutely free. Or you can do the $2.99 deal. You'll end up using that $4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll end up just paying $1.98, but then here you get the $2 register reward, making them free. I like getting the cash reward deals because those don't expire as fast as the the register rewards. So here we have the same deal as the toothbrushes for $4.99. You want to use that 4 off a 2 digital coupon for the toothpaste. You'll end up just paying $3.98, but then you get that $4 cash rewards, making these both absolutely free. You can do the same deal with the register rewards, where these will come out to be $1.98, and then you guys will get them with the $2 register reward, making those for free too. And then this is the only mouthwash that my store carries, but this is $3.99. You guys want to use that 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $3.98, but then you get that $4 cash rewards, making these all for free. You can do the mouthwash, the toothpaste, and the toothbrushes if you do the $3.99 deal, all in the same transactions, and you guys will end up getting $12 back for cash rewards. So you get 6 items absolutely free. So this is a deal of the week, so make sure you guys are using separate transactions, but we're going to get a $4 off Oral-B toothbrush. There is currently a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can use in the Walgreens app, and then we're also going to get a $4 off Crest Toothpaste, and we're going to use a $2 off digital coupon in the Walgreens app. You're going to pay $4, but here when you purchase the 2, you'll get a $4 register reward, making these both absolutely free. So here we have the comp bead for $9.99. Your store might have some Peely coupons for $3 off, But if you check the Walgreens app, there is a $1 or there is a $3 off digital coupon. So either use 2 Peelies or 1 Peely and 1 digital. But you'll end up just paying $13.98 for the both of these. But there is Ibotta rebates. Now it is a limit of 1 per kind. So there is a $4 rebate for one of these. There's a $4 rebate for this one, and there's a $4 rebate for that one. So just make sure you get one of each of the two. And then when you purchase the 2, this is a month deal, you get a $5 cash rewards. So this comes out to be just 98 cents or 49 cents for 2 of them, or for each. Here we have the Renews-Its on sale for 89 cents. You're gonna buy 6 of them. You're gonna use the buy 2 or buy 4 get the 2 free coupon. You end up paying just $3.56. That comes out to 59 cents each. There is a digital coupon, but I hate using the coupon or the digital coupon because it never comes off the full amount that it's supposed to. This is just something that I saw that is new, but we have the Arm & Hammer disinfecting wipes. They're $5.99. They're currently on sale for buy 1 get 1 free. So you guys will pay $5.99 for 2 of them. Comes out to be just $2.99 each. It looks like there are 80 wipes, so they basically come out to be just 3 cents each. Make sure you guys are checking for clearance. My store has a ton of clearance on the cleaning products. This was originally $12.99. It's marked down to $6.99. We got Meyer's $9.49. My store has some Tide on clearance for $5.79, $18.99, $4.19. We have some Gain for $5.29, all for $4.49. I know we can get these cheaper with couponing, but in case you guys are needing something and you notice something in your store on clearance, definitely check it out. The Gillette Shave, this little bottle right here, is $2.99. It is buy 1 get 1 50% off. You're gonna buy 2 of them, you'll pay $4.48. But when you purchase the 2 of them, you get a $4 register reward. So you'll get both of them for just 48 cents. You can do this deal as many times as you want, but you do have to do them in separate transactions. We have the Gillette Foam for $3.99 at buy 1 get 1 50% off. You end up paying just $5.98, but then you'll get the $4 register reward, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. And then we have the regular Gillette for $4.29 at buy 1 get 1 50% off. You'll get that. You'll pay $6.43, but then you get a $4 register reward, making it $2.43 or just $1.21 each. I'm just walking around looking at clearance, but they have the Starburst Cherry at my store for 9 cents, so it's 90% off. This is the Fruit Punch one, marked at 49% or 49 cents, but my store is sold out. And then the Welch's Cherry Pomegranate is also marked down to 49 cents. And then we have some water. Key Lime Sparkling Water is 15 cents. Black Raspberry. Every store varies, but check out your clearance. Hello everybody, welcome back to my awesome Walgreens haul. Now I'm here to share with you guys the deals that I got at CVS, or not CVS, the deals that I got at Walgreens, and I'm gonna share with you guys on this. So if you guys need some Huggies, you wanna definitely do this deal. It's not a moneymaker, it's not a freebie, but it's still a decent deal. I am starting to save up diapers for my brother. They are pregnant and they're due at the end of August, so I am starting to build up on diapers because I love shopping for people. I love it. I feel bad when people don't save money. Like, every time I go to the store, there's people who don't use coupons, they don't use the rewards program. I'm just like, okay, just gotta look the other way. But anyways, we did the Huggies deals. Now these were 2 for $20. You wanna use two $2.50 off coupons that we got from our inserts last week. Again, thank you, Ann, for those coupons. You'd pay $15 for the 2 of these, but there is a Ibotta rebate for $1.50, so you got, it's a limited 2, I think. So you get $3 back with Ibotta, but it has to be size newborn 1 or 2. Okay, then there is a Fetch Rewards deal where you get 1,000 points, which is $1 when you buy newborn 1 or 2. So I get $2 back with Fetch Rewards, and then you get the $4 register reward. So you guys will get a $4 register reward. These will ring up as, I think it's a store coupon. Some of them, I have one that says a store coupon. Nope, that's something different. It says store coupon. Okay, never mind. Anyways, make sure you guys, if it says manufacturer you coupon, you can use these as many as you want in one transaction. If it says store coupon on the top, you can only use one per transaction, but you do not need a filler for those. But anyways, you get that $4 register rewards. These come out to be $6 or $3 each, which is an okay deal. So if you guys need to stock up on diapers, definitely go ahead and try to get that deal. I'm just getting as many diapers as I can for my brother, and I'm getting them in different sizes because as they get older, you need the diapers. So here is easy freebies for you guys for Colgate. So we got the Colgate mouthwash. These were $3.99. We got the Colgate toothbrushes for $3.99. And we have the Colgate toothpaste for $3.99. We have a 4 off of 2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. We have a 4 off of 2 Colgate toothbrush digital coupon, and we have a 4 off of 2 Colgate mouthwash digital coupon. So you can't mix and match. It's got to be 2 mouthwashes, 2 toothpaste, and 2 toothbrushes, if I'm not saying this correctly. But anyways, these are all $3.99. You want to use the $4 off of 2, whatever you want. You can buy all 3 of these. You just need 6 items. You would pay $3.98 for 2 of them, but you get a Walgreens $4 cash rewards back. So you get $4 back into your account. You can pay with Walgreens cash, so you guys can pay with points and get points right back. So they come out to be absolutely free. So you guys will get 6 items. You can pay, what, $12 in points, but you get $12 back in points. So these all 6 come out to be absolutely for free. So you definitely want to go ahead and do that deal. I ended up doing the Crest Toothpaste and the Oral-B toothbrush. Now these were $4 on sale. I had a $2 off digital coupon for this one and a $2 off digital coupon for the toothbrushes. You would end up paying just $4, but you get a $4 register reward, making these also free. And you can pay with points. Everything that I got today, you guys can pay with points. So I know some of you guys always ask for that deal. Now I ended up getting the Gillette shaving after shave gel. Now these were $2.99. These are the cheaper ones. I was gonna originally get the more expensive ones, but then I saw a little baby one hiding in the back, so I grabbed it. So $2.99 at buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $4.48, but then you get a $4 register reward, making these just 48 cents or 24 cents each. If you guys want to go ahead and get that deal. I ended up getting the Compede. These were $9.99. There is a $3 off digital coupon, and there is a $3 off Peely if your store has them. So I ended up using the Peelys that I had. You would end up just paying $13.98, but then there is a $4 rebate with Ibotta for this one, and a $4 rebate with Ibotta for this one. And you get a $5 cash rewards, making them 98 cents. So you can do this deal as many times as you want, but you gotta remember that there's only one rebate per deal with the Ibotta deal. So 98 cents for the both of these. I think that's a great deal. I ended up getting the, trust me, I got the Flawless Curls. I'm actually excited to try the curl one because I kind of curl my hair a little bit. So these were 2 for $10. You guys want to do that deal? You'll end up using a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $5 for both of these, but then you get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them. So they come out to be just $1 or 50 cents each. Okay? And then we ended up getting the soft soap body wash. These were $3.99. You want to use a $1 off digital coupon that we got in our app. Yes, a $1 off digital coupon. You would pay $6.98, but then you get a $5 cash rewards, making them $1.98 or 99 cents each, which is a pretty okay deal. So that was my haul, you guys. My total came to $47.21. Now, please keep in mind, I do not pay that price. I always pay with points half the time, and then I also play with register rewards, but I do not factor my register rewards in when I tell you guys my total. I ended up receiving $16 worth of register reward. I received $4 off register rewards. 2 of them are store coupons and 2 of them are manufacturer coupons. I received $27.43 of points. 12 of the dollars was for the Colgate deal, and then I received $5 for the soft soap, and then I had a spend 25, you get 25, so that's how I got the $27.43. With Ibotta, I received $11 back. And then with Fetch Rewards, I received 2,170 points, which is $2.17. My total came to be a $9.39 moneymaker. I am happy with everything that I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'm here to help you guys save some money, share with you guys some deals. If you like me, I like doing a variety of things, not just couponing, and I like to share money any way possible of anything that I get. Again, big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.